If you wear wigs, you already know they need more than just a wash. They need expert hands. Over time, wigs lose their shine, they lose strands, the lace lifts, the hair tangles, curls fall flat, you completely lose the style, and suddenly your investment doesn't look the way it used to. That's where I come in. I'm a professional wig maker, a restoration specialist with over 20 years of experience caring for luxury wigs, human hair, lace, custom units, and everyday wear. Women from all around the world ship their wigs directly to me. I had a client from Lansing travel to let me know how difficult it was for her to find someone to fix her wigs. So I decided to make this. I'm a professional and I wash, deep condition, repair, restore, and restyle your wig, bringing it back to life. Then I carefully pack it and ship it right back to you. Your wig comes back soft, secure, refreshed, and beautiful, ready to wear. If you love your wigs, send them to someone who treats them like luxury. I am doing a new client special. There will be a link where you can make an appointment and we can have a video conference discussing your style. I cannot wait to meet you. Talk to you soon.